Welcome back to January day 21? 21. It is 9:06 right now. So for those of you who don't know, Jamuary is where I do something musical every day for the month of January. So today, as per usual, I am using the Ableton Move, and as you can, well, regular viewers, all 30 of you now, I think there is, you can see that I have a completely clean slate here, which is crazy. I took everything off here and I put it all into a folder on my computer. So I now have just a big to-do list of tracks to go through and do something with. So I have a clean slate. So musically today, I don't know what to do. I actually have zero clue because I've just been working all day. So what is today's theme going to be? Oh, do you know what I've not done? I've not put my headphones in. Theme wise, I could do is I just watched the latest episode of Fallout, and the kit, and I swear to God, I did not set this up. I just noticed this. This kit is called the Atom Kit. So perhaps we can do a Fallout themed or a nuclear themed track. So I guess let's turn everything to toxic green. I think that's going to be fun. So let's get the hue to green. Let's get that green. Yeah. And get the saturation up to 100. Yuck. Okay. All right. I think this works. So we're going to do atomic, nuclear, Fallout. We're going to figure this out. So hopefully that Atom Kit doesn't sound like absolute crap. Okay. I don't know why it's called Atom Kit. So let's think nuclear. Nuclear. What's this? What is going to give us toxic vibes? So I'm thinking nuclear reactors, throbbing, mutants, toxic waste. I'm thinking like 80s vibe, nuclear kind of something. I like that. I like that, like, if we're thinking Fallout, like kind of Wasteland vibes. So maybe we can do something Wastelandy. Let's see what we can do. Metronome on? I don't know. I get scared when I'm like, I don't have a strong theme or a strong direction to head in. And I know that there's so few people watching, I shouldn't get worried, but I do. I feel like I have to like come up with something like really striking. But that's not the reason why I'm doing this. So 90 BPM, let's see what we've got. So I like the first bit. like it a lot. Let's turn off the metronome. I like it. It's very soundtrack. It's Dusty Bells. Woo! I like that. I know it's supposed to be a bell. I think higher up it has more of a bell sound to it, but I kind of like just that kind of vibe. Let's not screw it up this time. Okay, this is definitely different to the original vibes that I had, but I like it. I like it. So we have some shit going on, and then I think we just need to put some. We're gonna do a beat that it can build up to. So this won't be the final beat. I think it will sort of slowly build up and layer and layer and layer, and then get to this beat. So this may sound a little hectic compared to the vibe that we're going for, but I think this is going to be the end point, and then we'll reverse engineer it a little bit. So let's play first of all. I really want to keep this Atom kit. going to have that. Okay, let's go with that. Let's do that. Let's turn off the metronome. I'm tired, that's why. Okay, I think we're kind of getting somewhere. So what I'm going to do is that very first clip, the drum clip that we have, I'm going to go back to that and I'm going to remove so I just removed all the drums apart from that ride cymbal, so that when it does build up, it goes to the full drum beat. But I think we can do more. We can do more to the build up. So let's see. So the very beginning. Very beginning, we're going to have no drums, and then we're going to have we're going to have no bass, those bells I could have just done on a drum track, to be honest. So yeah, and then it builds up to this with the bass line and the ride. I hope you can hear me. And then this is the full loop. It's quite a long loop actually. Eventually it goes to like the full build-up. The vibes I'm kind of getting are like DJ Shadow, Uncle, who's the guy guy that did the original Splinter Cell, the Chaos Theory, that kind of stuff. I'm kind of getting those vibes from it. So it's almost Metal Gear Solid / Fallout. But it's definitely Wasteland vibes, I think, is the main takeaway from this is Wasteland vibes, that's for sure. All right, we did it, I think. Wow, that was pretty good. Pretty good for 20 minutes work. So yeah, that is Wasteland vibes is what we're gonna do, and I'm probably gonna turn myself into a Fallout character or something, put myself in a vault suit maybe on the thumbnail. So thank you for joining me for Jamuary day 21, and we did it. Thanks as always. I will see you in the next one.